Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have USB extension wires, and these are for USB-C. I've been trying to get some ones for a while for USB-C because for some reason they're hard to find. But so here we go. See, USB-C male to USB-C female. So it's just going to extend those, and I got this for my iPhone. So like next to the bed and stuff like that, I've got some cables and they're just not long enough. So I thought, hey, this would be a better way to do it. So let me show you what I got. So, because my phone cord, so my end cord, I got this great chubby cable cord. So this is really nice. And so, you know, I like to have this one that I have in the bed. But then, you know, I just need the extender for it, and that one's just not so long. So I got this one here. So now I can go nice and long. So this one here is, I guess, about 6 feet or so. I don't know, maybe 7 feet, because I am close to 5'10", so it gives me a few extra inches. So I'm going to say it's a little bit over 6 feet, even though it says it's a 6-foot cable. I'm going to guess it's about 6'2" or 3", so maybe 6'2". So there we go. So that's what I got it for, and so let me plug it in and just see if it gets a charge here. So I'm going to plug it into my laptop, and actually I'm going to try it with a USB-C cable because my iPhone is what's recording this video. So let's see if we can record, if we can get a charge on my iPad through it. And lo and behold, we are charging. Excellent. So there we go. So it works. So very cool. So now I can charge my iPad with the extender. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. This is what it looks like. I got 2 of them, so this way this one's in a bag. So put a link to it in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.